How are you? You don't go in there no more?
Huh?
What happened there?
Oh, they changed the place.
They changed the place. Am I alright parking?
Devon?
Hello, madam.
Clean carpets, blinds.
I'm going to do the curtain and the carpet at the same time because I've got somebody helping. So, okay. Which one was the fragile one? This one?
Yeah, most of them.
Because these ones.
Because of the sunlight. Well, this one is still strong.
Yes.
All
Okay.
these ones are still strong.
Yes.
There's one the fragile one might be the one upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yeah. And the one here. This two.
Fragile?
Yeah, this is fragile.
Yeah, that's definitely fragile. I can see.
Yeah.
I can see.
This two.
This one is tear, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, very fragile.
What's it? All this.
Okay. Okay.
This is strong.
This is strong.
Yeah.
It's the same curtain? All of them is the same curtains?
Like what you mean by
From
same
before?
colors? Yeah, from before. Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
There's another one, the one here.
Okay.
This one is are new, not from before.
These are new.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not from before.
Yeah, these are just normal
What I
curtains.
mean by new, it was still within it before.
Yes.
It was changed
Okay.
prior to when they were about selling.
Okay.
Yeah. This one were new as well.
This one's new. Yeah, I just want to feel the type of curtain. Same.
Yeah.
Same.
Also the same like that. But this has a stain because
This
most
has
of the
a
beams are-
have a stain.
Yeah, all the stain.
I will do oh, okay.
Well, as
Okay.
much as you can take off.
Yes, okay. Okay.
And the rest is upstairs?
Nothing in here?
No, nothing.
Okay.
You can go and check each of the room and
Yes.
see the key to the master bedroom.
Is it still a cinema at the top?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Carpet on the stairs. Whew. 1, 2. Cinema. This bedroom. No blind. No curtain or blinds upstairs. And then there's no curtain or blinds up there. That room is locked there as well.
Quickly, so that I think there's one there. So it's just a roller. That one is legal.
Okay.
So this is fragile.
This is fragile.
Well, it's still strong, but when I say fragile, it's been there for. Well,
The sunburn and the
look at this.
yeah.
I'm aware about this. Anyway.
Okay.
It's fragile.
I would take photos of that as well.
Yeah.
Blinds. Nature room. We're gonna go up to the cinema room. And then there's 2 bedrooms up the top. Kind of clean. In the cinema. So we're just doing this room, guys. This is the shoe room or the dressing room. Obviously, as you can see, it's the valuables room. So as there's a lock on the door, I'm just going to quickly, as there's just blinds in this one, we're just going to quickly just do this so that we can just lock back the door. Additionally, just been put in. But as the home just needs a freshening up. We're just literally freshening up the carpets, guys. And then we're gonna make our way up. There's 2 rooms and the cinema. This is room 2, guys. We done this house originally, guys, when the famous football player used to own it. Now owned by another famous tycoon. So we're literally just freshening up. If you go along to some of my other videos, you'll be able to see when we were cleaning this, and it was owned by a famous footballer. And as I said, it's now owned by a famous tycoon. All the floors in here are underfloor heating, so the carpets are normally dry in no time at all. And as you can see for yourself, the carpets are in an immaculate condition. Here we are, guys. The cinema hasn't changed. So that's room 2 done, guys. No blinds. Got Velux blinds. I think they were automatic. So we have another bedroom this way. So here we are, cleaning the silk curtains and the pelmets. Nearly finished on this level, so we've done all of these curtains here. A few more to do. I've got these ones out here to do, so I'll just do these ones. Got some blinds in here, and then we can get on and clean. We can get on and clean the carpets, and then we're down to ground level. It seems to have a lot of insect larvae. See here, these curtains, the sun, and they've been here for a long time. They start to become worn and cause them to fray. So cleaning them is a very delicate method, and towel method only. Otherwise, it will lead to them further damage. Okay, so we're on second level, room 2. If you remember, we've already done that shoe room, the dressing room, so we've just got 1, 2, 3 rooms on this level to do. And again, just giving the carpet we're just gonna get up those few little stains and then put these things back, but we can't put that back without putting foil underneath, just in case it rusts into the carpet and leaves a rust mark. It shouldn't do, but just for the safety of the customers. And then we're just going to do behind this chair and put this chair back, foil in it. This is a white velvet. Can only dry clean that one. Dress room. I think it might be the lady of the house. There she stores her fandangles. And here's, we have a large living room. We have one little office, and then we have an annex on the other side, on top of the garage. So we have this last little room. I'm watching some of my cleaning of the affluent homes, rich clientele, when they're out in the country and they come back, 1 or 2 stairs in the property. quite a big property. I'll keep you updated. Of course, I'm going to do that. Okay. So we're just doing a little office area. Just a freshening, removal of any stains that's on the carpet. We'll go on into the living room, and then we just have an annex apartment, a little granny flat, just a one room, carpet and then on stairs. And we should be all done here. So let's get going, guys. Yeah, there's an annex over there. There's one room and the stairs. So guys, this is new carpet as well, but it has a few dog urine stains, but they're just coming up straight. So we're just getting rid of the stains. Just wanted me to go around the furniture. Nobody actually uses this room, apart from the dog. We're at the annex, guys. This is the last part of the property. We're just going to do the annex. This room, which is built on top of the garage, and then down the stairs, and that's it, guys. So I'll see you in a moment. So guys, there we are. The mansion, the cleaning, the complete carpet and all of the curtains, and we're going to come back before the end of the year, and we're going to do the stone floor on stairs, and we're going to do the marble floor throughout. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Safeclean-Walkingtv, and we'll see you on the next one.